Okay, we're gonna go pick up some dirt now, with some weeds. Papa's moving into position. Okay, there's that big excavator. Driving right by it. See, gonna back up, get into position, pick up some dirt and weeds and mud. Okay, Papa's backing up now. You want to look out the mirror? There's the mirror. He's gonna honk his horn and I'll stop. Honk. Okay, I'm gonna step outside the truck and you can watch these excavators picking up all the dirt. I got 2 excavators. Hey, look at that. Look at that. That's a lot of dirt. Dumping it. Oh, now he's gonna go grab some more. Isn't that cool? See him picking it up? Picking all that big stuff up. All wet. Okay, Papa's gonna get back in the truck. We're almost full. And then we're gonna go dump it. Okay? Alright, I'll come back in a little bit and we'll do part 3. See ya.